everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok Trader Joe's Birria pizza, so let's get started with the video. Begin by cooking the Trader Joe's beef birria. To cook the birria, you have to let it thaw overnight, so make sure to do that before you begin cooking. Once the birria is thawed, you can begin cooking it. There are two ways you can cook it. You could either microwave it or cook it on the stove. I prefer to cook it on the stove. After removing the outer packaging and the film, pour the birria into a medium-sized pot or pan. Okay, look, I know it looks questionable at first, but I swear after you heat it up and cook it, it looks and tastes delicious. Next, bring it to a boil over medium heat. Let the beef cook for a few minutes, and then, once it's hot and ready, remove it from the pan. After removing the beef from the pan, reduce the heat to low. Next, place the beef on a cutting board and chop it into pieces. When you're finished, place the beef back into the pan. Once you've added the beef, mix it in with the broth, and then take the birria off the heat and set it to the side. Next, take a Trader Joe's flatbread pizza crust and place it on a tinfoil-lined baking sheet. Then coat the flatbread in a bit of olive oil. When you're finished, brush the broth from the birria onto the flatbread. Brush a good amount of the broth, but not so much that it becomes soggy. When you're finished, add shredded mozzarella cheese. Next, add the beef on top. Then add a bit more mozzarella cheese. And some diced red onions. When you're done, place the pizza into the oven at 425 degrees for 10 minutes. Once the pizza is finished cooking, add cilantro and sliced jalapeños on top. And that's it! You are all finished making your birria pizza. All you have to do now is slice it up and enjoy. This pizza was absolutely delicious, especially if you put jalapeños on it. The jalapeños kick it up a notch. I totally recommend giving this a try. It's easy to make and it tastes great. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!